I just pulled up to work, and I'm gonna give you an update here, or a review on my tire monitoring system that I've had for about, I'll say 5 or 6 months now. And I'm gonna tell the truth, this thing is awesome. This brand right here, I know it's probably about maybe 100 or 200 different brands, but this is the one that I purchased. And I've had, like I said, I've had it for like 5 or 6 months, and it's awesome. I'm gonna get my daughter and my son one, because in her BMW, it's a 2006 530i. It just tells her that she got a low tire. It don't tell her the pressure or which tire is low. So this actually tells you which tire and everything. And after every 2 weeks, it recalibrates itself. And plus, this is solar, and I haven't had to charge it or do anything to it. I like it. You know, I know exactly what my tires is. You know, but once it recalibrates itself, it goes back to the metrics. You know, you get Celsius instead of Fahrenheit, and you get bars instead of PSI, and it's easy to reprogram it. And I got a couple of videos that's showing you how to do that. And this weather been strange. It's been raining and the sun, so this thing, I've taken it through the car wash, and this thing have been even submerged under water, the sensors that's on the tires, and it still works. So for that price, this thing is awesome. So if you would like to purchase one of these, just look in my description below, or you can also look to the top right and click the drop down and go straight to my website. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.